Hey, it's Melissa with WTI, and I want to share with you today my favorite crepe mix, also called my favorite crepe mix. How ironic is that? It's the favorite of many, and that is because it tastes so delicious. Now, it's no lie, my crepes have turned out very questionable, somewhat quirky, so I really needed something to help me out because for some reason I can't seem to get the recipe right myself. So that is why I was so thankful that I found this, because this makes them so much better than what I have been able to do on my own. It's so easy because it's already mixed. All you have to do is combine ingredients: water, eggs, vanilla if you want vanilla in it, and some melted butter, and that's it. It's just simple. You can create so many things with a crepe, but first you gotta have the crepe, and this is what's gonna get you there. It's my favorite. It is absolutely delicious that it must be the favorite of so many for it to hold true to its name. And that's my point of view.